Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Nick in North Carolina on this new Anytone at-6666. Nick, I've got you ready to go, bud. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade on the buffer cap and filter cap, as well as the erf2030 plus MOSFETs. We are going to start with your RF power all the way down in AM mode. We've got the 100 watt slug in, and it's set right at 5 watts all the way down. We'll roll it all the way up, about 22 all the way up. Hello, about 73, 74 bird average, 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 120 on the mark. It's going to work out great. Cruise along your AL1500 or whatever else you want to run with it. And now we're going to go over to sideband. $100 scale, 250 watt scale. Show PEP. Hello, 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 hello. So we're looking about 115. Hello, and it's going to be about the same bird. Your average and your peak is predominantly the same sideband. So you ready to go, Nick? Man, I love these radios. I'll get your other video up in a few minutes of the other one. Turned out nicely as well. If it's something you're looking for, check us out, www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.